Hey, what is up, guys? It is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today we're going to be showing you guys a really cool card trick, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Now, we do have a giveaway going on right now. If you guys want to enter, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment whatever you guys want down in the comment section below, and make sure you turn on your post notifications. We're giving away $50 on Amazon, as well as 12 Monarch decks of cards. Once again, be sure to enter that. That giveaway will be ending in about a week, and we will be starting our 150,000 subscriber giveaway after this one ends. So be sure to check that out. That will be starting, like I said, in a week. Now, we do want to give a special thanks to Amazon. Thanks to Amazon, we have our very own affiliate link. If you guys want to do anything with Amazon, buy something, sign up for a trial of Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, Twitch Prime, anything like that, use our affiliate link down in the description section below, and that'll greatly help us out. So I hope you guys are ready for this trick, and let's get straight into it.
So we're going to need our spectator Adam here today. Before we get into it, we need to get rid of the jokers because they are not necessary. There's one for our trick today. Where's the other joker? All right, we get rid of these. And we need to split the deck in roughly half. Right around there, that looks good to me. Yeah, that's around half the deck. And I need our spectator Adam to choose one of the piles we have here. All right, you want to choose that one, so that's going to be your pile. This one's going to be mine. What we're going to do is we're going to start out by taking half from each of our piles, around half the deck. We're going to take it, and we're going to flip it, and we're going to put it in line with the other half. So you can do the same. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these, and we're going to shuffle them together. So I'll take these, I'm going to shuffle these. You do the same. All right, just place them back down. Now we're going to do this again, and we can do this as many times as you would like, Adam. You just let me know when you want us to stop doing this. So, yep, perfect.
We'll do one more time.
One more, all right. All right, this is the last time. And now we are done. What we're going to do is we're going to take these, and we're going to finish it out by shuffling these two piles together like that, and we are finally done. So as you can see, Adam, the cards here, they're clearly mixed up. There's nothing special about these. These cards are mixed up, right? Face up, face down, as you can see all the way through. And what we're going to do is I have some predictions on these cards here. Now, as you can see, first layer says prediction. We're going to take this layer off. We're going to get to the next prediction. So, it says 25 face down cards. All right, so let's check this out here. Let's see how many face down cards we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 face down cards. We don't need these anymore. We'll place them to the side. So my first prediction happens to be correct. That's pretty cool. You know, 1 for 1. Our predictions today. Let's check out the next prediction we have. So the next prediction, 10 black cards. All right, let's flip these over. Let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're not doing bad here. We got 10 black cards. I'll take that. I'll take that. 2 for 2. Let's check out the next prediction. All of the cards are clubs. All right. See how we're doing here. Got 1 club, 2 club, 3, 4. Oh. Looks like that's not true. But if actually we look at the next prediction, except the ace of spades. And as you can see, the ace of spades is the only black card that is not a club. That is the trick, guys. Let's learn how to do this trick. It's a pretty cool fact. There is a setup for this trick. A little bit complicated, but let's learn how we can do this. So, what you're going to need is, you don't need a necessarily full deck. It's better if you do have one. But the main things is you're going to need a ace of spades and you're going to need 2 jokers. You're also going to need a minimum of 10, or you're going to need 9 clubs, and you're going to need 15 random red cards. And then the rest of the deck goes here. Doesn't really matter. So you're going to separate your you're going to separate the cards. You're going to get your ace of spades, 2 jokers. You're going to get 9 clubs. 9 clubs. Then you're just going to get 15 random red cards. Doesn't matter if they're hearts or diamonds. And then the rest of the deck. So from here, what you're going to do, take your ace of spades. I like just to place it in the middle. Doesn't matter where it's placed. Just make sure it's somewhere in these black cards. From here, what I do, you just do a quick mixing. You're going to mix the black cards with the 15 red cards. So, if you don't understand, this makes 25 cards. And this trick will slowly start to connect, as you will see, right? Doesn't matter how well these are mixed. Just make sure they're mixed enough, right? So you just have the black cards mixed in with the red cards. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? So once you get the cards mixed, right, you're fine with it. You're going to have 25 cards here. And you're going to have the rest of the deck. What you're going to do is you're going to take one of the jokers. Doesn't matter which one. You're going to place it at the bottom of the setup part, which is with the 10 black cards and the 15 red cards. Place it at the bottom. And then the other joker, you're going to place it in the other pile, somewhere in the middle. Doesn't matter where. And you're going to place it with the pile that's set up on top of the other pile. Now from here, you need to make some predictions. Your last prediction is going to be accept the ace of spades. Your next one is going to be all of the cards are clubs. Now I'm just going to realign these. Yeah, you can do this prediction trick however you want. Then you're going to have 10 black cards, 25 face down cards, and the prediction. So once again, you got this is the order of the predictions. So once again, ace of spades, all of them except the ace of spades. All of the cards are clubs, right? Then you have 10 black cards, right? And 25 face down cards. And then your overtopping layer, the prediction. You can do this in any way you want, but that's the way I did it for the trick. So you start with that to the side. So you start off the trick. You can't shuffle the cards yet. You start going through the deck. You're going to say we need to get rid of the jokers. You get rid of the first joker. Throw it out. And then you're going to find the second joker. This is where the deck needs to be split. So I just remember the 10 of hearts, right? So I say, all right, get rid of these. I'm going to remember that card. The card the joker was above, 10 of hearts. I'm going to remember that. Then I'm going to take the jokers, get rid of them. I'm going to go to that card I remembered. And be like, we need to split the deck in half. I'm looking for the 10 of hearts. Right? Found it. That's where I'm going to split the deck. Right at the 10 of hearts. Now from here, you're going to make these into 2 piles. And this part here is self-working. It can be done as many times as you want it to, as long as it's done correctly. If it's done correctly, the trick will work every single time. So, it doesn't matter which pile they choose. You're going to have them take around half the cards, take it, flip it over, line up with the other pile, right? And then you're going to mix them together. Now, it doesn't matter how many times you do this. As long as it's done correctly, every time, the trick will always work. So, take it. Let's say they only want to do it 2 times. Perfect. They can do as many times as they would like until they are satisfied, right? So, let's do this. There. And right here. Now, from here, you have to take their pile, and what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over, right? Like that. Once you flip it over, you're going to shuffle these piles together. So remember, as long as you do that part, it's simple directions. Just make sure the spectator knows what they're doing. After you're finished, after they say they're satisfied, you're going to flip their part over, and then you're going to shuffle these 2 together. Now, once again, guys, this trick is self-working. So after this part, you only have one thing left before you just run through the rest of the trick like I did in the performance, just to save time. You're going to look for the ace of spades to be face up. Now, I'm going to run through here, right? And I'm going to run through. I'm looking, right? I'm going to say all the cards are clearly mixed up. And I'm just spreading through the deck. And all I'm looking for is if I see the ace of spades. Now, in this case, I did not see the ace of spades. So I'm just going to square up the deck, and I'm going to place it down. Now, let's say we were in this situation where we spread through the cards, right? I see the ace of spades, right? Because the side with the ace of spades is the deck, part of the deck that's set up, right? Because it's self-working. So if I see the ace of spades, I square up the cards, I'm going to flip it over. So no matter what happens, as long as you go through the deck, right? If you see the ace of spades face up, flip the deck over. If you do not see the ace of spades, just place the deck down, and the trick is self-working, right? You go through your predictions, right? 25 face-down cards, start counting down the 25 face-down cards. Then show the 10 black cards. From there, all the cards are clubbed, and you go through that, and you just act like you messed up, and then you can reveal your final prediction, because the rest of the trick is self-working after that accept the ace of spades, and they'll be amazed. Because they mixed up the cards, they did all the work. And that is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is Card Shuffler 99. Peace out.